What is up, everyone, and welcome back. It is a little bit warmer in the garage today. As you can tell, I'm just wearing a long sleeve shirt. Came out, I turned on the heater for about an hour before I came out here, so it's much more comfortable out here, much more workable. It is still like 4 degrees outside, so it's still chilly and snowed a little bit more last night. It's cool. But today, we're gonna be working on taking the stickers off of this plastic. So let's go ahead, jump right into it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
We got all the plastics torn apart. That heater is still roaring in the background. We also need to figure out how we're going to get all this sticker resin, glue resin off of these. Alright guys, so we were able to get this pretty well cleaned up. We got the glue residue off from the stickers. Things are looking pretty good now. The next steps, I think, are going to be sanding these down, getting them cleaned up, doing our patchwork where we need to. The other things are these tabs. Going to need to get all these tabs out so that we can paint these good. These tabs really aren't bad. There's a little metal piece in the middle of them that keeps the rubber bushing inside. It's just gonna take a little work. It's gonna be a little tedious, a little meticulous, but shouldn't be bad. Other than a few patch spots that we're gonna have to do a little bit of work, I do have the tab to this piece that broke off. I'm not sure if that's gonna work very well, but we're gonna try it. I think we're gonna be able to make it stick back. Obviously, we're gonna have to clean it up good, sand it down a little bit. But the rest of these pieces looking pretty good. We do have a little bit to fix on the front left fairing, or front right fairing, pardon me. And then I am gonna order a front, the other side fairing. Now I'm all confused. But I'm gonna get that ordered today. It should be in like middle of next week, as well as the entire fairing bolt and nut kit. Like I said, I found those on eBay for like 25 bucks. Comes with everything that you'll need to put the fairings back on, as far as I understand and from what I can see. I think we'll just get a black kit. I know it's annoying having the heater running in the background, but like I said, it is very cold out. And I appreciate your patience and understanding on that. We still need to get the fuel tank off, get the stickers off the fuel tank, get that cleaned up. I just kind of been waiting to go through this stuff before I did that, because I do know that the fuel tank is good. I know that it's gonna work. I just haven't got to that yet. If you guys have any other ideas, any information you'd like to pass along to me, be greatly appreciated. I do want to say thank you once again. This has been fun for me so far. I hope it continues to be enjoyable and fun for you guys as well. If you like the video, subscribe. If you want to see future content, maybe turn on notifications, give it a like. If you guys have any friends that might be interested in seeing this kind of content as well, or anybody else that would have some information for me, be greatly appreciated. Thanks again, guys, and have a good one. Later.